Hindi pa. Ay, hindi.
Okay, thank you to Nursery, Kinder, and Prep. Nursery, Kinder, and Prep po are under the supervision of Teacher Jelaine, Teacher Mylene, Teacher Marlene, and Teacher Lorne. Doon po sa advisor ng grade 2 and grade 3, pwede po bang makisuyo yung grade 1 po? Makiayos. Okay na po ba sila?